dog. How can I get work done with a dog? I smell like chocolate. Go over here. Thank you. Okay, you're not gonna like this, Dasher. You wanna step away. Step away from the wood, sweet cakes. This is because I didn't bring my Stark Dealer saw or my jigsaw, which makes me very sad. What that thing? Cause I got something. That's why I'm starting with me. Oh, it's dark. Let's see. Put it on like this. And then, let's see. And then wipe it off. Oh, yeah. What do you think? I think that's pretty cool. Might be too dark for her, though. Keep on rubbing it off. Okay. But that's how it's done. Oh my gosh. Do the big ones first. Paint it on like this. I'm not giving it too long to soak in at all. It's drying so quickly. So then you take the paper towel. Wood green shows through. I'm gonna take some of this off and put it on there. Okay. So then I'll just have to do the front of that one. Or the whatever side. Other side. Oh. Gotta get all the edges, right? Don't forget the ends of the wood. They're going to soak in some paint too. I'm going to have to use the brush. Another reason the sanding helps is it makes it more absorbent, less rough and stuff on the sides. Just make sure you go around it, check every little bit, make sure everything is stained before you move on, otherwise you're gonna be very sad, right? Very sad when you find it's not done. And you have to go through the whole waiting period again. So today's a very beautiful day, which for the most part I did waste. But tomorrow, unfortunately, it's going to rain. So I really got to get these done. I hope that they dry before the morning. Scattered showers. So that's all done. It'll just slide to dry.
The neighbors. Oh boy. And girl. Stop yanking. 4 on the floor. Up. No. You're so funny. You're so funny.
I wanted to make a hanger, so I just took some galvanized wire and I made like I used the thing and I just twisted it and made this. And I'm gonna put it here